I'm sure you've heard the news. Birds are incredible, but did you know they have superpowers? Imagine seeing 2 summers in 1 year. The Arctic tern does just that. It flies between the North and South poles. Now that's some frequent flyer miles. But wait, there's more. Ravens are super smart. They can plan for the future, just like us. Need proof? They save snacks for later. And who could forget owls? They have special feathers. These feathers let them fly silently. They're the ninjas of the bird world. Amazing, right? Birds are full of surprises. Want more mind-blowing facts? Subscribe and join the flock. See you next time.